course alphabet and symbols. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for giraffe, H for house, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for mango, N for nest, O for orange, P for peacock, Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for table, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for wings, X for Xmas tree, Y for yoga, Z for zebra. Please subscribe for more videos.